Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Facebook Live problem. So if you're currently having problems on your Facebook Live and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you because I can tell you you are not the only one that actually are facing that problems. So basically I've had a lot of problems myself with Facebook Live and this is how I fixed it. So basically, I firstly closed the Facebook app completely and then I went into the settings app on my phone instead. I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So on this page, scroll down and then click on storage. And then we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. Now when it's done, just swipe up like this. And then you're going to click on the search bar up top. Just search for Facebook in here and just click on it. Then click on Offload App and once again click on Offload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to completely load now, so we're just going to keep waiting. And then click on the Reinstall App button. So now you're just going to simply wait for your Facebook app to be completely updated to the latest version. So for some reason, when I did this and then I went back into my Facebook app when it was done, by the way, this shouldn't log you out of your account. At least this didn't actually log me out. But basically what happens when it was done, I just went back into my Facebook app once again, and now I have no problems with my Facebook Live whatsoever. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.